Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at my dad's house. I'm sorry for the banners because it was his birthday. But today I'm gonna be opening sparkle slime that I got from Target. And my dad's just like taking a nap because we have to go to his soccer practice. No, soccer game, right? Soccer game. So let's open this. So it's spring break. I got to hang out with my daddy for a little bit. Ooh. Can't feel it yet. Nice. This pink. There's the pink one. I gotta take out all the wrapper. So I like this slime because it's slime. It's slime. It's not putty. And I got this from Target at the $1 section. And I like it because it has pink and pink and blue. And I got the blue out. It has like this stuff that you can't get it. So it will mix together. Got it out. Got the thing out. So here's the blue. This is the blue for more pretty than this one. If I do it slow, it goes really good. If I go rough, it rips. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I have to show you these twins I got. They're so cute. Well, they're not twins, but I got Bonbon and little sister. And then the doggy. And I bought this little cutie pie. Little go-go baby.